Alright guys, so today we're changing the oxygen sensor. So we're looking for bank 1 sensor 1. So this one right here, this is bank 2 sensor 1. But we're looking for bank 1 sensor 1, and we have two connectors right there. If you look down, these two connectors. So the top one is bank 1 sensor 2, and the bottom connector is bank 2 sensor 2. So for bank 1 sensor 1 is located by the firewall at the back. So we're gonna go down and take a look at it. So we go under the car and we're looking for the bank 2 sensor 1 and bank 1 sensor 1. Okay, so here is the oil drain. If you go a little bit to the right side, right here is your bank 1 sensor 1. Look at it right here. Again, this is the shield right here. This is the one bank 1 sensor 1. The tools for this job you're gonna need. So you're gonna need the O2 sensor socket, the wrench, the replacement, and NCs. That's it. So here in my hand, I got the sensor out. So this is the bottom part and this is the connector. So the connector is at the top right there. If you could see right there, right over there. That's the connector part, and here is the sensor that goes. So again, this is the bank 1 sensor 1, and now I'll just replace it with the new one. So here we're going to compare the new one and the old one. The one on the left is the old one, the one on the right is the new one. So you compare the connectors and you compare the other end too to make sure it's the right fit, and then you go ahead and replace it. So before you replace the new one, make sure you apply some NCs like this. So here you can see I just replaced bank 1 sensor 1 new, that's the new one, and replace the old one. So this is how it looks after I replace it. So again, since there's not that much space here, it takes a little wiggling, so be patient.